Hi all, welcome to our channel Student Station. இதுவரைக்கும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோவில் 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சயின்ஸ் ஒர்க்ஷீட் 1 மெஷர்மெண்ட்டோடது ஒர்க்ஷீட் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒர்க்ஷீட் Roman number 1 multiple choice questions. First one, which measurement system is accepted by almost all the people internationally? Answer is C option, system of international units. Second, a set of physical quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantities are known as D option, fundamental quantities is the answer. Third one, Ramu goes to school every day by walk. The distance between his school and his house is 1850 meter. So how far he walks? So school ko avanga house ko irukkiradhu 1850. So 2 times என்னும்போது 1850 plus 1850 3700 meter is the answer. Fourth one, Rani asked her classmate Sita to stand with her back against a wall. Rani makes a mark on the wall exactly above Sita's head. Then Rani measured the distance from the floor to this mark on the wall. This reading shows 150 centimeter. What is the height of Sita? So 150 centimeterல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அவங்களோட height. இங்க ஆன்சர் வந்து மீட்டர்ல கொடுத்திருக்கிறதுனால 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter. So 150 centimeter equal to 150 by 100 equal to 1.5 meter. So C option is the right answer. Fifth one, Raju draws a curved line as shown in the figure. He wants to measure the length of the curved line. Then he uses a dash of the following equipment. Answer is B option, divider or thread. Sixth one, a meter scale has broken into two pieces. On the first piece, the reading starts at 0 centimeter, comes to end at 54.5 centimeter. The second broken piece starts at 54.5 centimeter and comes to an end at 100 centimeter. What is the length of the second piece of broken scale? So 100 centimeter full, அதில் 54.5லேருந்து முடிஞ்சதுன்னா ஸோ மைனஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு 45.5. ஆன்சர் வந்து 45.5 சென்டிமீட்டர் தான் ஆன்சர். இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்க ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷன்ஸில் அது இல்லை. ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் 45.5 சென்டிமீட்டர் இஸ் தி ஆன்சர். Then seventh one, Kamala measured the size of blackboard. The length of the blackboard is 11 meter and the height is 8 meter. The area of the blackboard. So இது வந்து rectangle shapeல area வந்து L into B square units. So 11 into 8, 88 meter square. B option is the right answer. Eighth one, Kavita found the area of circular garden is 154 meter square. Find the diameter of the circle. So 154 square meter இல்லையா 154 pi r square இல்லையா 154 into 7 by 22. Actually pi r square நம்ம ஃபார்முலா சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுறோம். அடுத்து r square நம்ம இந்த சைடு வச்சுட்டு ஃபஸ்ட்டு ரேடியஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் இல்லையா ஈக்குவல் டு பண்ணோன்னா r வந்து 49, r ஸ்கொயர் 49 வரும், r வந்து 7 வரும். ஸோ இங்கே கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்கிறது டயமீட்டர்ன்றது டயமீட்டர் ஈக்குவல் டு 2r. ஸோ டயமீட்டர் ஈக்குவல் டு 2 into 7 ஈக்குவல் டு 14 மீட்டர். B option is the right answer. Ninth one, the relationship between mass, density and volume are given below. Which one is wrong? Answer is volume equal to mass into density. C option is the right answer. 10th one, which statement is false? D option is the right answer. There are 17 fundamental physical quantities in SI units. இதுதான் false because 7 fundamental physical quantities. So D option தான் வந்து இதுக்கு answer. 11th one, which is correct? Statement 1, the amount of space occupied by an object is known as its volume. Right. Statement 2, volume equal to length into height. So இது வந்து 3 இது வரணும் இல்லையா மெஷர்மெண்ட்டில் length, breadth, height என்ற மாதிரி. இது wrong statement. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter or meter cube. Right. So statement 2 வந்து wrong. Which is correct and 1 and 3. A option is the right answer. Then which is correct? Volume of the cube is side into side into side. Volume of rectangle is length into breadth into height. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi into radius cube. Volume of the cylinder is pi into pi r square h. So answer is C option 1, 2, 3 and 4. எல்லாமே correct. 13. Choose the incorrect statement among the following. A option is the incorrect statement. The distance between the sun and the earth is constant in everyday. Answer is A option. Then 14th, find the odd one out. Temperature, mass, area, time. Temperature, mass, time இதெல்லாம் fundamental quantities. Area தான் derived quantities. So C option is the odd one out. C option is the answer, area. Turn to the page 4. Then find the odd one out. Volume, area, speed, amount of substance. Answer is D option, amount of substance, because it is the fundamental quantity. Others are derived quantities. 16th, Which of the following statement exactly correct? A option is the right answer. Measuring the length of a curved line using both a divider and thread or string. A option is the right. Second Roman letter, match the following. 17 fundamental quantity. First A க்கு amount of substance 7 answer, அதாவது mole. Electric current ampere, that is sixth one. Luminous intensity candela, fourth option. Then length, for length fifth option, meter is the answer. Temperature Kelvin. Time second. Mass kilogram. Kilogram is first one. So 7 6 4 5 3 2 1. Then 18th, match the area with the rectangular shape. Rectangle ku L into B, that is option number 3, third option. Then circular, pi r square, that is first option. Square, A square, second option. Triangle, half BH. So C option is the right answer. First ku third, second ku first, third ku second, fourth ku fourth. C option is the right answer. 19, fill in the blanks with suitable words. A, the maximum volume of liquid that a container can hold is known as the capacity. Answer is capacity. B, liquids have volume but liquids do not possess any definite shape is the answer. C, heavy objects sinks in water and lighter objects floats in water. Answer, floats. D, dash of a substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in unit volume. Answer is density. Then moving to 20, state whether true or false. A, the iron block will have more mass than the wooden block of the same size. Answer is true. B, the materials with higher density are called denser and the materials with lower density are called rarer. True. C, different materials have same densities. Answer is false because different densities are no, so answer false. D, the lightness or heaviness of a body is due to density. Answer is true. So next worksheet next video la paakalam. Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching.